My name is Adam Reckel. I'm a Senior Product Marketing Manager at CrowdStrike in the Rockwell Automation Partner Program. Rockwell Automation and CrowdStrike partner together to help our mutual customers gain visibility into and protect their mission-critical XIoT assets. CrowdStrike's single, lightweight agent is validated by Rockwell, making deployment and ongoing management seamless. Together with Rockwell's cybersecurity services, customers get tailored protection for their specific environment, helping them transform their business securely. CrowdStrike and Rockwell support a variety of industries, including manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, automotive, energy and utilities, healthcare, oil and gas, and defense. For more information, please visit CrowdStrike on the partner locator.